Let's start with a common idea we all share about the universe. We often see it as a big machine, right? Predictable, stable, and everything runs like clockwork. Gravity pulls the same way everywhere, and light always travels at the same speed. But here's a question that might make you pause. What if the universe isn't a machine at all? What if it's more like a mind, capable of adapting, evolving, and even changing its perspective? Now, this might feel a bit uncomfortable, and that's okay. It's time to challenge some assumptions. Physics, for all its elegance, stands on a foundation of consistency. We're used to thinking that these laws of nature are fixed, unchanging truths. But what if, instead, the universe can shift its mind, adapting and rethinking just like we do? If that's the case, those so-called laws could be as flexible and transient as our thoughts today. Let's build an interesting mental model here. Think of it this way. A machine behaves predictably under the same conditions. Turn the crank, and it does what it's supposed to. A mind, however, can adapt, reframe, and redefine itself. This is where some fascinating theories come into play. For instance, philosopher Alfred North Whitehead suggested that reality is actually made up of processes and events rather than static entities. So instead of seeing the universe as a solid structure, what if we viewed it as a vibrant, ever-evolving process? Now, let's spice things up with a concept from physicist Lee Smolin. He proposed that universes might reproduce through black holes, with different constants tuning themselves across generations. Picture that, universes having a sort of evolutionary cycle, just like living organisms. It's the idea that our universe could be part of a much larger cosmic family that's constantly adapting. And speaking of adaptation, let's consider if the laws of physics themselves could evolve. If we take a dive into this idea, it means we're in for some cosmic surprises. Imagine if constants began to drift over eons, or if new forces appeared under extreme conditions. Even entropy, often seen as a downward slide toward disorder, could be part of some giant learning curve. Just like a mind, the universe might respond to feedback, explore different behaviors, and let go of old rules that no longer fit. Now, you might wonder what this means for science. If the universe can change its mind, how does that affect how we understand it? This could mean that the concept of repeatable experiments is limited to our local space-time conditions. In this scenario, science must evolve from merely seeking certainty to embracing adaptability, ready to sense shifts in our understanding of nature. We might ask ourselves, what is the nature of law itself, especially when the system feels alive? So as we ponder these ideas, let's leave it with one thought. Maybe the universe doesn't run on strict codes. Maybe it dreams in patterns. And if it dreams, then who knows? It might just wake up different tomorrow. So buckle up, fellow explorers. The cosmos is alive, and there's so much more to discover.